how to change your last name on Facebook. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to change your last name on Facebook but don't know how? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Facebook on your device. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top right corner. Tap on the settings icon. Tap on the account center card from Meta. Then tap Profiles. Select your Facebook profile, then tap on the name option. You can change your last name from here. For example, I will change my last name to Videos instead of Tutorials. Please keep in mind that you can only change your name once every 60 days. Finally, tap Review Change. Now choose how would you like your name to appear on your profiles. You can either display your first name followed by your last name or your last name followed by your first name. Select based on your preference. I will keep it as it is with the first name followed by the last name. Finally, tap Save Changes, and there you have it. You have successfully learned how to change your last name on Facebook. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.